guys, it's me, Carl Wheezer, and today I will be playing the Escapists. Now I have played this game a little bit before, but not enough that I know what I'm doing. So, before we begin, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. And with that, let's get started. Yeah? What do you want? Why am I dreaming about a clown? Of course, yeah, I know I'm dreaming. Why else would it show that I'm sleeping? Yeah, complimentary cable TV. How lovely. Hey, my name's Carl. Your other Carl must be destroyed. There can only be one. He might be visiting. What does he have better to do? An escapist among us. That's what the game is called. Alright, I have nothing useful. A dead rat? Why does he have a dead rat? Razor blades. Blades are for skating. Yeah, dingus. Alright. Last time I played, I discovered that I needed high intelligence to craft stuff. So right now, I just need to increase my intelligence. Then I can be as smart as Jimmy. Alright, now that I have enough intelligence to craft anything I want, I'm gonna just start stealing from everyone. Alright, so what I'm gonna try and do is take out the entire prison worth of guards. And by doing so, I should be able to completely, or to break out of the prison on day 2. I must destroy the other Carl. Yeah, stupid other Carl, now you have no clothes. I'm gonna beat him up. After I get a good night's sleep, of course. Because if I don't get a good night's sleep, then I'm really cranky in the morning. Stupid other Carl. I'll destroy you later. Ah, heck, I guess I'll destroy you now. Yeah, your unlimited power. Yeah, I can just break out of What? Why is it on lockdown? You're not here to make friends. Well, neither am I. I'll kill you later. I can't have the competition rooting for Jimmy's mom. Who's Carl? I'm not Carl. My name is Policeman. And I'm... What do you mean? I've been loading this stupid save so much lately. It's unbelievable. Yes. Alright, so I made myself some, like, medicine man overalls. And now, for whatever reason, it allows me to go in here. Ooh, magic. Sleeping pills. What am I supposed to do with sleeping pills? Yeah, I see. So I can bribe them with drugs. Yes, I am a guard. God, my desk is full of razor blades and logs. It's a very weird assortment. Oh, look, it's that absolute idiot Carl. He copied me entirely. He just has blonde hair. It's Policeman Carl here. And I'm here to beat the crap out of all of you if you step out of line. Especially you, Carl. You don't even look anything like me. We didn't make it out in time. But that's alright, because I'm willing to do this again sometime soon if you guys show enough support. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and leave your comments and suggestions down below. Thanks for watching, and may you be blessed with eternal croissant.